In today's video, we will take out the side mirror for 2019 Honda Civic. The very first step is to take out the door panel completely. Using the plastic door upholstery remover, we will take out the middle door switch cover. Once the cover is pulled out, notice there is a big plug in the middle that needs to be taken out. Just press and hold this tab and then pull out the plug. There's the plug taken out. Notice there is a screw behind the cover and we will take it out using a Phillips screwdriver. Now using the same door upholstery remover, I will try to pull out the door liner from the edges. We'll be pulling it to a point until the door liner loses its grip. Once the door liner loses its grip, now you can slightly pull the door liner upwards and there you notice the complete door liner is taken apart. With that, we are done taking out the door liner completely. Once the door liner is pulled out, now using the same door upholstery remover, we will take out the cover that has a speaker on the corner. Once the cover is taken out, notice there are 3 10mm screws that needs to be taken out. Here I am using an impact gun with a 10mm nut setter, but you can use a round head ratchet with a 10mm nut setter. Now the final thing to take out would be the plug, but in order to take out the plug, first we will just hold the side mirror from the other end so that it doesn't fall, and then we will move ahead and take out the plug. Notice there is a clip holding the harness from the middle. Using the metal door upholstery remover, we can pull that bracket apart. Gently rock and roll the side mirror until it completely pops out. And with that, we are done taking out the side mirror completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.